we're getting closer to a point where we've got plenty of ash in here. Might chuck this grill on and let's get this food going and see how this thing really goes. There you go, that one was easy enough to get on without worrying about burning myself. Clearly don't bloody do it when the flames are too big. Anyway, I'll just let this heat up a bit here and we'll get the food out and we'll get it going. Alright, so my food's about ready here, and I gotta say, look, I'm pretty happy with this. It didn't take me long to set up. It was literally only a couple of minutes. You got the base. This bit here literally just flops out. You clip in the 4 clips in the bottom. This bit here and this bit here, they just clip on, and the rest of it just comes in a nice little flat pack in a bag there. There's obviously a lot of these on the market, but this SAN HIMA one for me at $140 is yeah, it was a good buy. I hope that's helpful for someone looking to get their first fire pit like us, or maybe you actually got a smaller one and you know, maybe looking to do something you can cook on as well and actually get out in the bush like this.